And, Madam Speaker, the Minister of Labour is the only person by law and by convention who announces the new rate of minimum wage. As such, Minister, he will announce the rate, but I will speak to the date. Minister Samuda has agreed for me to tell you that he will announce the new minimum wage in a few weeks, in April 2023, and when he does, he will have the concurrence of the Cabinet. Minimum wage earners, therefore, Madam Speaker, can look forward to a meaningful increase.
Headlines making the evening news. US student found dead. Man shot in front of primary school. A male student has reportedly been found dead in his room on one of the halls of residence at the University of the West Indies Mona campus. Registrar at UWI, Dr. Donovan Stanbury, says the student's parents are being notified more soon. Frantic parents scrambled to collect their children after a man was shot in front of the Holy Rosary Primary School on Gibbs Avenue in East Kingston. The incident happened after 10 this morning, just meters away from the school. The Corporate Communication Unit confirmed the incident to Observer Online, but said that they had no further details. It is unclear if the man had succumbed to his injuries. The school reportedly contacted parents to collect their children due to the incident. More details soon.